In this video, we're going back in time to uncover the timeless wisdom of our grandmothers, whose savvy tips for frugal living are as relevant today as they were back then. Cooking from scratch. Grandma knew the value of cooking from scratch. It's cheaper, healthier, and often tastier than processed or take-out food. Home gardening. Even a tiny garden can provide fresh herbs and vegetables, cutting down grocery bills and providing a rewarding pastime. Art of preserving. Learning to can and preserve seasonal produce ensures you have a stockpile of delicious homegrown food all year round. And resourcefulness over consumerism. Adopting the ethos of use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without encourages resourcefulness and reduces the need for new purchases. Handmade and homemade. From knitting to furniture refurbishing, dye projects not only save money but also add a unique, personal touch to your life. Economical water usage. Conserving water was second nature to our grandmothers. Simple habits like collecting rainwater for the garden can make a noticeable difference in your utility bills. Savvy second-hand shopping. Exploring thrift stores and garage sales can unearth some fantastic bargains and unique finds. Natural cleaning solutions. Common household items like vinegar and baking soda are effective, natural, and cheap cleaning alternatives to store-bought products. Clothes swapping and hand-me-downs. Embracing hand-me-downs and organizing clothing exchanges are sustainable and budget-friendly ways to keep your wardrobe fresh. Strategic meal planning and batch cooking. Planning your meals and cooking in batches saves both time and money, reducing the temptation of impulsive takeout orders. Cost-effective commuting choices. Using public transit, carpooling, or biking instead of driving can dramatically cut transportation costs. Participating in free community events. Get involved in community activities and events that are often free or low cost. It's great for socializing and entertainment. Tip 13. Relying on home remedies. For minor ailments, try home remedies first. Many effective treatments can be made from simple ingredients found in your kitchen. Appreciating nature's recreation. Enjoy the outdoors. Activities like hiking, bird watching, and picnicking offer relaxation and enjoyment without a price tag. Conscious energy usage. Being mindful of energy consumption, such as line drying clothes and managing heating and cooling, reduces utility bills. Self-haircuts and beauty treatments. Learn to do basic haircuts at home and experiment with natural beauty treatments for cost-effective grooming. Smart grocery tactics. Buying bulk. Choosing store brands and focusing on sales can lead to significant savings in your grocery budget. Handcrafted gifts. Homemade gifts, whether baked goods, crafts, or art, can be more meaningful and less expensive than store-bought items. Regular home and appliance maintenance. Maintaining and repairing your home and appliances can prevent costly breakdowns and extend their lifespan. Dusting and repurposing. Before discarding, consider how items can be reused or repurposed. This mindset reduces waste and fosters creativity. Traditional forms of entertainment. Rediscover pastimes like board games, reading, and storytelling, which are enjoyable and cost little to no money. Sharing and borrowing within the community. Borrowing items from neighbors or friends for occasional use can be both economical and a way to strengthen community bonds. Baking your own bread and pastries. Baking bread and pastries at home is cost-effective and offers the added benefit of filling your home with delicious aromas. Mindful consumption of utilities. Simple practices like turning off lights and fixing leaks promptly can make a noticeable difference in your utility bills. Investing in quality, timeless clothing. Choose quality over quantity when it comes to clothing. Well-made clothes may cost more upfront but last much longer. Tip 26. Decorating with nature. Use natural elements for home decor. Seasonal flowers, branches, and homemade crafts add a personal and budget-friendly touch. Prioritizing savings. Always set aside a portion of your income for savings, no matter how small. Consistency is key to building a financial cushion. Creative leftover utilization. Be imaginative with leftovers to minimize food waste. Leftover ingredients can often be repurposed into delicious new meals. Bartering goods and services. Exchange goods and services within your community. It's a great way to get what you need without spending money. Dipping 30 experiences over possessions. Focus on experiences rather than material goods. Memories created with loved ones are priceless and often cost very little. Tip 30 were homemade jams and jellies. Making your own jams, jellies, and preserves can be a delightful way to enjoy seasonal fruits and save money. Artita 32 so. Utilizing library resources, make full use of your local library. Beyond books, many offer free access to movies, courses, and workshop. Hosting potluck dinners. Organize potluck dinners with friends and family. They are a great way to socialize and enjoy a variety of dishes without the high cost of dining out. Walking more, driving less. Incorporate more walking into your routine. It's good for your health and your wallet, especially for short trips. Learning basic sewing skills. Basic sewing skills can extend the life of your clothing. Simple repairs like sewing a button can save a garment from being thrown out. These habits aren't just about frugality. They're about embracing a lifestyle that's rich in simplicity and satisfaction. Implementing these practices can lead to significant savings and a more contented life. Remember, the joy in life often comes from the simple things. Here's to living well with